How to fix Me@Walmart app not working. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by moving into your application app store. In the source bar, search for the application Me@Walmart. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue in the app. In this case, simply click on update and update it. Wait for the update to be completed. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device, head over to general, and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application My Walmart. Click on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing in the app. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.